this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox controller that won't connect. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your Xbox if it's not connecting and turn it off completely and just hard reset it here, or just reset it. So let's hold down the Xbox button and then wait about 5 to 10 seconds and my Xbox is going to be turned off. And we want to do the same thing with the controller, so you can see this is turned on. Just hold down the Xbox button and this should turn off after about 5 to 10 seconds, or you could remove the batteries. So both are completely turned off now. Let's flip this around and unplug it from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. So once we have it unplugged, let's plug it back in, and this will ensure that it's completely turned off and it's not in sleep mode or anything like that. Now we can turn on our Xbox, so let's press the power button right here. And then we want to turn on the controller as well. So let's turn on the controller. And these two lights might sync up with each other now, and it might connect. Otherwise, we're going to want to go to the sync button here. On the controller, it's in the top, and then on the Xbox by the USB. And we want to press both these buttons at the same time, so they blink at the same time. All right, and after about 5 seconds, let go. And these two lights should be synced up with each other now. Also, the easiest way to connect is just with this USB cable. So plug this in, just like this. And then we could try just plugging in, and then you're gonna need to press the Xbox button a few times. So just spam this, and you should be able to connect this way now. Or another thing that you could try is holding down the Xbox button once again, and unplug it from the wallet, but leave your controller plugged in. And you're going to try to start the Xbox by pressing the controller. So I have it unplugged, I plugged it back in. Now I'm going to press the Xbox button on the controller, see if this works right here. Alright. And then it should turn on my Xbox if it's connected appropriately. So if it's not, I'm good to go here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.